Congratulations, you just received your Invisalign trays. Welcome to the Invisalign family. Now I'm going to go over with you a few instructions on how to take your trays in and out. So the first thing is how to take your trays in and out. It's really important that you're able to do this, so make sure you practice in the office. We do give you a tool. It's a little tool to remove your trays, and the way you use it, you just hook up under the tray and it helps you pull it out. Make sure you try it in the office and you're able to put in and out. Second most important instruction is the time of wear. You are supposed to wear your Invisalign trays 22 to 23 hours a day. If you do not wear these trays that long, your treatment can be compromised and the teeth are not going to move as we have planned. Another tool that's going to help you stay on track with your treatment are these little red and blue plastic things. These are called munchies. If you notice, they have a bigger, wider slot on one side and a smaller slot on the other. So the wider slot is used to seat trays on the top teeth, so the front teeth. So once you wear your trays on, you're going to take these munchies and you're going to put the bigger slot on the top teeth like this and chew on these. By the same token, the smaller slot is meant for the bottom teeth, and again, with your trays in, you're going to use this munchie and put that smaller slot on the bottom teeth and chew just like I showed you. And then there is a little side which has no slot. That is meant for your back teeth. So this is how you're going to use the munchies. Now that's one of the exercises that you're going to do with the munchies. There is a second exercise that I'm going to tell you a little later. But before that, I want to show you how to keep these trays clean. Now every morning when you're going to take these trays out, you're going to brush your teeth and you're also going to brush these trays as well. Now for any reason, by the time you move on to the next tray, these trays become really, really dirty. Your box comes with a packet of cleaning crystals. Now each crystal, this box has sachets of crystals, and you can open one sash and take some water and pour the entire amount of crystals in the water. Remember, you're going to only soak your trays for the time you're brushing your teeth, because the amount of time that is out of your mouth, it's not working on your teeth. We really, really want to get 22 to 23 hours of these trays on your teeth for the treatment to be effective. Another little thing that I'm going to give you is called the Pull Fizz tablet. It's the same thing. You can put it in water and make a solution, and every time you brush your teeth, you can soak your aligners in this and it will make them clean and fresh for you. But what I'm telling you is to keep them on for 23 hours. The only way you can get that done is if you eat with these trays. Yes, you can eat with your aligners, and there's a lot of research that shows that when you put forces like mastication forces or eating forces with your aligners, the teeth movement stays on track. Now, if you cannot eat with the trays on, then you're going to use this munchie again. But this time you're going to use this the same way as you use this after you seated your trays. You're going to use this munchies 10 minutes, 3 times a day, every single day, if you're not eating with your trays on. And it's going to cause the same effect. Besides that, always remember to check your attachments, the little white buttons that have been put on your teeth today. Make sure they are intact. For any reason, any one of them has fallen off, you're going to call the office and we can bring you in and put it in on the same day. If you move on to tray number 2, always keep tray behind saved for you. So let's say you move on to tray number 2, save tray number 1. You move on to tray number 5, save tray number 4, but you can throw 1, 2, and 3. We don't need that. That's because just in case you went out and you accidentally lost the tray that you are wearing currently because you went to eat out with your friends, you took it out, wrapped it in a piece of tissue paper, and then when everything else was trashed, that got trashed also. The only tray you will go behind is that one tray. And you will still stay on track while I can order the tray that you lost. These are all the instructions and what to do and what not to do with your Invisalign. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me when I come in the room.